Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but I just got out the shower and I thought, what a perfect way, if I'm going to show you how to do makeup and stuff all the time, what a perfect thing to show you my skincare routine. Because one thing I have learned from doing makeup is if you don't have a good skincare routine, then your makeup's probably going to look crappy every single time. I definitely learned that the hard way. I was the one who would do my whole makeup and go to sleep in it and not wash it off, and now I'm like, so I have used a lot of different things to try to get like my skincare routine. I know a lot of products work differently with people. A lot of people have different types of skin. This is what I found that works great with my skin. And it really has made a difference with how my makeup goes on. So if you're interested to know how I basically get ready to put makeup on and what I do after I take my makeup off, keep on watching. Before I wash my face, obviously before I get in the shower, I take any makeup I have on off and I use the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I have them in this cool little box I got a long time ago. Those are my favorite makeup wipes ever. I have them on here on my vanity, so anytime I mess up, that's what I use. So my first product that I use, and it's what I use in the shower, I have it in the shower with me, it is African black soap. And I basically literally just have the bar. It's got some Shea pieces in there. It is the Shea Moisture brand. That's the brand that I get. It's African black soap. It is so good for your skin. It cleans it. It takes makeup off. It also just helps, getting blemishes and pimples and all that stuff. It has really helped my skin washing with that. So I wash with the African black soap every shower. Every single shower. This is what I wash my face with. And then on once a week, I use this, which is the same brand as the African black soap. This is the clarifying facial wash and scrub. And it is for blemish prone skin. It has little rough pieces in it, so it's kind of like an exfoliator. I do this once a week with my my face brush. I don't know what it's called. Once a week I do this, but every shower I use this. So take my makeup off, wash my face. Then one thing that I think it is so important because it changed my life basically, that people don't really think of is a toner. I thought that I did not need a toner at all. A toner has changed my face, the way my makeup goes on, just my face in general when I'm not wearing any makeup, a toner. So I tried a lot of different toners. I went ahead and sprung for a little bit more expensive toner and I swear by it. I use this. It's the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and it actually has rose pieces in it. I don't know if you can see it. I swear by this stuff. It was worth every penny. So I'm going ahead and doing that because I've already washed my face in the shower. So I just take cotton balls and I put it on. And you don't need a lot. This bottle should last you forever. I've had this bottle forever, and look, I've barely put a little bit of a dent in it. And I just take the cotton ball and I wipe it all over. Your neck, that's the oldest known thing in the book. You always put your makeup down your face. You always match your makeup to your neck. Your neck is important too. Anything you're doing to your face, you should do to your neck too. So toner on the neck. So next, you're gonna let that toner just dry in that face. Your face is going to feel dry after a toner. So of course, after a toner, you moisturize. You have got to moisturize your face. That is so important. You moisturize every time before you put your makeup on. So I have a moisturizer that I use all the time that I highly, highly, highly recommend. And I ran out of it, so I don't have it right now. But I pulled it up on my phone to show you, and it's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. The thing about this moisturizer, here I'll show you. Let's see if we can get a picture of it. Sorry if it's horrible lighting. There you go. A lot of moisturizers are kind of like lotion based, or they have different oils in them. I really, really, really prefer a water based moisturizer. It keeps your skin so much more moisturized than the other types of moisturizers, like basically lotion and stuff. I wouldn't do that too much. This is a water based moisturizer, so I highly recommend it. I use it so much that I ran out of it. I didn't even realize. But I have some other moisturizers too that I use, just depending on kind of what type of mood I'm in. But the same brand as the African Black soap makes, the Shea Moisture makes a moisturizer that I have bought too. Now this one is kind of like a lotion based, but it is really good. It smells amazing. And then I have another water-based moisturizer, which I love, but I have not. It's expensive. So I got a little sample from Sephora, and it is the Tatcha, and it is the water cream moisturizer. And the big one is pretty pricey, and I just haven't been like, okay, I'm going to go spend the money and buy it. Clearly, I use, oh, it's almost gone. But I love this one. One day I'm just going to have to buy it. But I'm going to use this one today. So I basically, sorry, I didn't mean to flick y'all off. But I just put it all over my face, and it's really like watery at first, so you have to hurry up and get it where you want it to get, and then it just starts kind of like drying in and getting a little bit tacky, which I like. After it dries, I feel like that is the best way to start doing your makeup, your foundation, all of that. It's gonna make your skin so much better for that, all the foundation and concealer and all that to lay properly on the face. I was one who didn't have a skincare routine at all, and I would just put makeup on, and I realized how like cakey and stuff your makeup would get around your nose or in your chin, and my skincare routine has changed it completely. It's changed the game. I can literally go without foundation and wear no foundation and still feel good about my skin, or I can put a full-blown, full coverage makeup on my face and it sits so pretty and so nicely. And definitely I have to give credit to the skincare routine that I do. Now, mind you, none of these products are sponsored. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. These are just honest, genuine products that I personally love that I wanted to share with you. If you love makeup, even if you're one of those people that you're not really into makeup, but you wear makeup every day, you have to wear makeup every day, I promise you, if you do a simple skincare routine, which is, you know, a good cleanser, washing your face, a good toner, and a good moisturizer, it will make all the difference in how your makeup looks and sits on your face. I hope this helps someone out there. Like I said, I highly recommend these products that I used. Also, don't forget that it makes a difference with clean makeup brushes too. Don't think you're gonna do all this and then have the dirtiest makeup brushes in the world. I hate cleaning my makeup brushes, but it is so worth it to use clean makeup brushes on your face. It makes a difference. And trust me, I think that if you first work on taking care of your face, there's gonna be so many times and you're gonna feel so much more comfortable that you can go out in public without a bunch of makeup on your face, especially foundation. I found out when I started taking care of my skin and not using foundation all the time every single day, that my skin is just so much better, less pimples. I'm not perfect, I still break out every once in a while, but my face is just, it's good. And I used to be really blotchy too, like I used to have like different colors all over my skin. I am still a little bit red. I get that from my mom. It just runs in the family. I don't think there's anything we can do about it. But the toner has definitely evened a lot of my blotches and stuff on my skin. So I highly recommend a skincare routine. You try these products out. If they don't work for you, you know, you'll definitely go out there and find something that works for you, because it is so, so, so important. It makes such a difference. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for kind of getting ready with me. Hope to see you on my next video. Mwah.